Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I want to show you something because I'm going to have this in my sale later today. So I wanted to show it to you because a while back I made this card and everybody thought it was really cool. You know, had a little bookmark and everything. So since you can't just go out and buy these, I put some together, some packs for you guys. And they look like this. Okay, and you got everything in here you need. So we're going to, take a look at all of this stuff. So hold on and I'll show you, okay? Okay, so here's what you're going to get. Okay, so here's what you're going to get in the kit. You're going to get 6 of the bookmark pieces, 6 of the fronts, 6 of these, and then you're also going to receive 6 of these book plate pieces, and you're going to receive some handmade ephemera pieces. I made these little snowflakes because they're cute. And you're going to receive 6 bases plus 6 envelopes. So let's take a look. Okay, so your envelope's going to come pre-scored and pre-folded, and it'll look just like this, your card, okay? So you've got your 5.5 inch by 4.25 inch card, and then you've got your 2-inch piece over here that is your bookmark, okay? So this is perforated, and this is scored and folded for you on the other side, okay? So let's start on the front cover. So on the front cover, you're going to get this cover piece. And this cover piece can either be this way or this way. It's your choice. I like this way, so this is the way I'm going to do it. So you're going to need some glue. And you're just going to put some glue on here. You can use double-sided tape if that's what you like. I like glue. So I'm going to put a little glue on there. And then all you're going to do is take this and you're just going to put it on the front of your card. And it's got about 1/8 of an inch all the way around the front of your card. See, like that. Then you're going to take your little book plate. Now, on the book plate, you can stamp on this so that it says, like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever. I happen to have one here that says Happy Holidays, and it's not white, but it'll work. And I'm just going to, you can put this on with dots if you want, but I'm just going to be doing this with a little bit of glue. So I can get it on here and you guys can see what it's, how it works. So you're just going to find it, you want to put it right in the center, you want it towards the top. I like mine towards the top. So I'm just going to set that at the top, just like that. And then on the inside, I'm going to put this piece, and this is so I can write something or, print it if I got a thing. So you go ahead and you just get this all ready. And I'm going to glue that in, and that one fits right there. Just like that. That's my sentiment piece. And then I've got this one now. You can either put it like this so that it matches, or you could put it like that so it's different, or you could put it over on this side, like on the outside like this. So when you fold it into the card, it's on the inside like this. Totally up to you. But I do recommend that you round the corners on this. And I did not round the corners on this because I wanted you to be able to do it if you want it to or not. It's up to you. Now, I like mine to go like this, and I like it to be a little different. So I'm going to make it look like this. So I'll put a little glue on here. Now, obviously, I would do this a little better, if I was sending it to somebody, but I'm not. Just like that. Now that I got it on there, I can round this corner. This one's harder to do. And I'll round this corner, and this corner. And I'm going to round this one, and the front. See, now it's all nice and rounded. So now I'm going to take my ephemera piece from over here. And you get 6 of these, so you get one for every card. And I'm just going to put a little glue on the back. Just a little dot of glue right there. And I'm going to put it right here. I like it right there. So I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to take some of these little pearls here. And I'm going to get 2 of these. Just like that. And I'm going to get my little pokey tool. I'm going to take my pearls. And I'm going to put one here. Because I don't want to use brads. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to put it over here. See? Making it look pretty already. Now, if I want to, I could, decorate this. But what I'm going to do is just take a punch. And I'm going to just punch a hole here at the top. So I can just put a piece of string in there. Let me close up my glue. Okay, so then I got one little thing here that I want to add. So I'm just going to take some of this. These are not my lace scissors. But I'm going to put this through here. And I'm just going to tie this on. Now I could staple it or, however I want to attach it. But I do want to put that on there. Now I could use a string if I wanted to. And then I can fold that down and close this up. And I can put my card into an envelope. And I can send my card to somebody. See? It's kind of a neat little card, right? And then when they open it up, there's this little bookmark. See? Just a pretty little bookmark. And I can write whatever I want to write in here. And this is a little card that I can send to somebody. I don't like that, though. I don't like that at all. So I'm going to fix it. So let's fix it. There, like that. Untie that. Okay. Back it up. Bring that up. Let me use my little stapler here. Oh, I like that better. Okay. Then I'm going to get my little ribbon scissors. There. See? That works. And then I can just fold it down and close up my card. And I can write whatever I want, I can do whatever I want with it. I could put some more, if I wanted to, I could put some more of these, little jewels on here or something, if I wanted to do that, or maybe put some green ones on, or whatever I wanted to do, and then just put it in the envelope and send it off. Okay, so anyway, those are my cards. They're going to be in my sale today, and I'm selling 6 cards for $6. So for $6, you're going to get 6 envelopes, 6 card bases. You're going to get 6 of the bookmark pieces, 6 of the fronts. These are both reversible. You're going to get 6 of the front plates, 6 of the embellishments, and 6 of the white inserts. Okay? So lots of pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces per card. And you're going to get a whole set of 6 in here. Okay? For $6. Not bad, right? It's $1 a card. And you can send somebody a handmade Happy Holiday card or Merry Christmas or Season's Greetings or, you know, whatever you want to stamp on there. Okay? All right. So that's it. So until I see you guys at the sale today, if you haven't done so, subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me because I'm selling some cards. Bye-bye.